Video, and in today's video we will be jumping into the Bitcoin charts. Dogecoin is actually doing something that I didn't expect that it would do, so we're going to look into that. We're going to look at Bitcoin, what Bitcoin's doing. We have moved down. There's some incredible liquidations going on Bitcoin and Ethereum right now, so we're going to jump into the charts for Ethereum as well today. And what else? I just did a video with Andy from Bitcoin Census, and that video should be up in 1 hour. We talked about some of my how I started into crypto, some of my viewpoints on the charts, etc. So that should be a very nice video as well. I'll put a link down in the description when it's out. So without further ado, let's just quickly jump into the charts. And again, thank you so much for watching the video. If you do like the video, please do leave it a like and subscribe if you're not already. So let's jump into the chart for Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin is looking bearish to me, and I did mention this in the last video as well. We are coming down from a bearish continuation pattern. A bearish momentum. So it just means that we have a higher probability of breaking down rather than breaking up. But again, the S&P actually looks pretty bullish. So I'm predicting that there might be one little relief rally in the future of Bitcoin, maybe around Q1 of 2023 or Q2. We might have a small relief rally, potentially up to around $30,000. That's a very nice area for Bitcoin because there's a lot of support. We have some support here, we have some support here and here, and also here. So I think it's a very nice area for Bitcoin to potentially have a relief rally to, but I'm not expecting any all-time highs either this year, next year, maybe at the end of next year. So or even 2024. So I'm not expecting all-time highs anytime soon. But a lot of you have been messaging me, what indicators do you use, etc. This is called the Aroon. It's a very nice indicator. It's just AROON. I just changed the color to green and red. I really like this indicator because it's been accurate a lot of the times. See, when it crossed over around here, and we did go into a major bear market. So I do think this is a pretty accurate indicator. This is just a normal MACD, and this is one of my friend's volume indicators that I cannot disclose because it's got code, etc. But yeah, the normal volume indicator is pretty good as well. So, and this is just parabolic SAR and EMA ribbons. So yeah, those are the indicators I use. You're more than free to try them out and potentially test them out with me during the videos. But right now, Bitcoin doesn't look too great, unfortunately. If we do manage to break above this 21.8k resistance, then I do think we could go to maybe 30k depending on the technicals then. But if we break this lower support, I do think it's a 14.5k Bitcoin. So yeah, it's not looking that great, guys. So jumping into Dogecoin, because right now we're forming a broadening wedge on Dogecoin, which is something I did not expect at all. I thought when we broke down, because I had this bullish wedge, and when we broke down from here, I'm like, okay, game over. But we formed this broadening wedge, which is actually bullish. So if we do manage to break up with some Elon speculation, maybe he says something more. And by the way, check the Twitter and Elon Musk video I put, I think it was 2 days ago. So that was the one that I talk fully into why Twitter is exploding. Dogecoin is exploding. And why the price may continue to move up or down. So make sure to check that video out. But yeah, I mean, Dogecoin surprisingly looks pretty good. We may even continue to go higher if we break this resistance of $0.126. Let's have a look at the S&P 500 real quick, because the S&P is looking pretty bullish for some reason. Because it's the FOMC meeting very soon, and they are expecting good rate hikes. So if this happens, then the S&P could boom. As you can see, we are forming a double bottom formation on the S&P, and if we break this neckline, I do believe we can continue upwards, not make an all-time high, but maybe retest to this $45,000 area, also pushing Bitcoin to around $30,000. So this is what I expect could potentially happen. It may not break above this neckline, and in that case, then I think we'll go for another decline. So the S&P doesn't, it looks good for now, but again, bearish momentum in the fundamentals. So if we look at the Bitcoin liquidations, there has been significant liquidations in the last 24 hours, because we can see that it's $126 million in liquidations, which is huge. So if we go to Ethereum, as I mentioned, Ethereum is making huge moves. Let's go to ETH USD. Wow, okay. So Ethereum is actually forming hold on. This could be bearish. Okay, let me just fix this. So we're forming this pennant. Yeah, this is a symmetrical triangle. So symmetrical triangles can move either up, break up, or down. So in that case, I do believe we could, look, we retested this resistance just within this week. So I think maybe we could come down, because this is looking like a shooting star candle. So we could potentially retest to this support. And if we do so, then I think we could break down. But the thing that's telling me that this is very bullish is this parabolic SAR. Now, the last time the parabolic SAR fired a sell was over here, and look what happened. Now we're firing a buy. So Ethereum could potentially maybe break the chain and stop following the trend of Bitcoin and rally on its own. So yeah, Ethereum looks very interesting. I did not think to see this at all. I haven't seen Ethereum chart in such a long while. So Ethereum is looking surprisingly bullish. And if we do break above this, let's see, $16,650, then we could potentially go to the next support, which is $3,500. So it looks pretty interesting for Ethereum. I will definitely keep you guys updated for Ethereum. Now we're going to look at the crypto fear and greed index. We're at a 34, still fear, meaning it is potentially a good time to DCA. Again, nothing in this video is financial advice, just for entertainment purposes only, and only my opinion. Always do your own due diligence before investing. And on the rainbow chart, as you guys know, we are at the lowest point in the rainbow, meaning this is a good accumulation zone according to this Bitcoin rainbow chart, meaning Bitcoin is basically a fire sale. So yeah, do take that into consideration. And looking into the crypto bubbles, Doge is still the #1 coin. That is 102% up. Aptos is rapidly falling down after the ICO, down about 20%. We can see Clay going up, SHIB, of course, following Doge with its speculation. AVAX is climbing, Algo, BNB, a lot of the things are just climbing along with the bullishness of the market right now. But as you guys know, Bitcoin just dumped a lot because we had some severe liquidations because we hit a major resistance. So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do check out the video with Andy. I talked about some of my backstory and how I got into crypto. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, guys. See you.